Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel. You can call me Gabby Angel. In this video we are coming to learn how to do a simple Photoshop manipulation. These are the images that we are coming to use. We have our apple tree, apple leaves or plant backgrounds. We are having our pearing apples here. We are having our whole apple here. As I said, we are having our table also here. So guys, the first thing that we are going to do is to come to file, come to new. Let's search for any default paper size. Come to print. Let's take A5. Let's put it to landscape. Make sure that your resolution is 300. After that, command create. So now let's pick our background. This is our background. This is the background that we are coming to use. So let's put our background on the artboard. Let's convert it to smart object. Let's scale it like this. Good. After that, command enter. Let's bring in our table. So over here we can use the marquee tool, the rectangular marquee tool, to make the selection. For that, pick the move tool and drag it. Put it on the artboard like this. Let's scale it. So guys, now we are having the table and also we are having our background. So let's bring in our full apple like this. Let's hide the background layer like this so that you can work on the apple. Pick your marquee tool. Make a selection of the apple like this. After that, command Ctrl+G. So guys, when we hide this layer, you can see that we are having the half of the apple like this. So after that, let's hide the top layer and pick the whole apple layer. Hold Ctrl on your keyboard, click inside the top layer. As you can see, we have got a selection. After that, make sure that you have selected the rectangular marquee tool. Right click and select inverse. After that, make sure that you have clicked on the whole layer of the apple. I am talking about the big apple layer, and create a layer mask like this. So guys, as you can see, we have divided the apple into two. We have one part and also having another part. The next thing that we are coming to do is to hide the top layer. Come to this layer, select your polygonal lasso tool. Let's make a selection. Select your move tool and drag it. Hold Alt to scale it. Rotate it like this. After that, hold down the shift key and drag the top line. Put it on this layer, scale it. Make sure you are holding the shift key. So let's drag this layer to the top. If you make it visible, it will look like that. Command Ctrl+T to transform. Right click on the layer and select warp. So now let's join it to the other half. So let's mark it. So guys, because we want to make a whole selection of the leaf, we need to cut it, or we need to separate it from the main apple layer. So pick your polygonal lasso tool and make a selection of the leaf. After that, command Ctrl+X to cut, and command Ctrl+Shift+V to paste in place. So now let's hide the leaf layer. Let's select the upper layer of the apple. After that, come to image, come to adjustment, come to hue and saturation, or just command Ctrl+U on your keyboard. Let's set the saturation to -100. Let's set the lightness to -40. After that, come to image, come to adjustment, come to levels, or just command Ctrl+L to open the levels. After that, let's send this forward. So let's set our radius to 20. After that, command OK. After this, let's turn on our background layer. So guys, after turning on our background layer, make sure that you have selected this layer. After that, come to your blend option, set to screen, like this. Guys, as you can see, we are having our screen here. To get more of the mirror effect, you can come to image and also come to adjustment and come to levels. You can increase the levels like this so that you can get the full mirror effect like this, and command OK. After that, let's hide this layer. Let's come for our apple tree. Drag and put it here. Like this. So now let's make this layer visible. After that, let's make our leaf layer also visible, like this. Let's scale the background like this. After selecting the table layer, click on add new layer. After that, pick your brush tool, select black color, set the hardness to 0%, command enter. After that, click on the apple like this. After that, let's scale the brush layer. See, we are having our shadow here. Let's search for our lens flare. Right, this is our lens flare. Change the blend mode to screen like this. So guys, let's put the lens flare at the top of all the layers like this. And let's place it at this angle and also increase the size like this. You can also duplicate it by holding Alt and drag, Command Ctrl+T, right click and select flip horizontally and put it here like this. So let's reduce the opacity of this one. Okay. So guys, as you can see, this is our manipulation. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you find it useful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Gabby Angel Designs, so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to watch. If you find this video useful, kindly like, comment, and also share to your fellow graphic designers. Gabby Angel Design.